Good evening guys, this is Sumaiya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to learn how to map a texture properly for the curved wall. For today's tutorial I have considered a sample project of our office space which has this curved wall, and we are going to learn how to map the texture properly for this wall. What does mapping a texture mean? Suppose if I have to apply a texture for the complete wall, then we go for materials. Okay, either you can download your image or you can copy image. Click on create texture material. I will use this image. Then apply material, click. The image is applied in a tile pattern because the size of the image is 1:1. Okay, now to scale it properly, you will select. When you select, there will be 2 points on X and Y axis. You can select this point and extend it to the end of the walls, both for the width and the height. Now, here the texture is positioned properly. So this is called as mapping of texture on a particular surface. This was easy because the wall here is just a plain straight wall. Okay, if I have to map similarly for a curved wall, the procedure is different because when you click on apply material and we drag the material, okay, here when we select and we try to scale, okay, it is not covered for one straight wall. Okay, so how do we apply it? Control Z. Initially you can adjust the size of this texture over here. Okay, height of my story is 3 meters, so the texture height will also be 3 meters. So I will increase the height here. This is the height 3. Okay, width will be your arch length. Open your AutoCAD reference files, select this. This is our curved wall. Select this, CH, enter, and here you can scroll down and check the length of the arc. So arc length is 5.7. Okay, we'll go back to the DIALux. In this size we will make it 5.7, enter. Okay, then click on apply material. Don't lift your mouse key, just drag the texture and it will be applied. Though the texture has been applied, but it is not positioned properly. You see, it is not seamless like the image here. So how do we position it properly? First, understand that you have drawn this curved wall with points. Okay, you went to indoor counter and you have this points. Okay, now each point from this point to this point is one polygon, or you can call it as one surface. From this point to this point is next surface. Okay, so images 2 are applied for each section. Okay, first positioning is correct. You can see this move tool. I feel this object is disturbing me while applying the texture, so I'll just hide this. Okay, now see, first texture origin is here. It is placed properly. This is not positioned properly. The origin has to be here. It should start from here. So I'll just select this and move it here. Okay, now you see this texture, it is like continuing. Okay, seamless. Same you have to repeat for the next section. Select, hold this move symbol, position it properly. Seamless. Select, hold this move tool and position it. If you're not able to position it accurately, hold the shift key. Okay, you can even see the preview of this continuing texture. You can even move it up or down to slightly adjust it. Okay, hold the shift key to properly position. Perfect. Select, repeat it. Every time you don't have to move it till the end. Just see the preview here and check the continuity, and then you can place it. Repeat. Done. So this is how you map the texture seamlessly for a curved wall. The only detail here is that you need to be careful about selecting the move tool and properly positioning it. Okay. So let me get back the 3D models. I will just quickly run daylight calculation just to show you the effect with the lighting. Calculation is completed and you can see the results preview. The texture is seamless, nice daylight effect. You can see that texture as well. This is how you map the textures easily for a curved wall too. So this is it guys in this video. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please do hit a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned to explore more in DIALux with me. Thank you.